your mark. Get set, go! There's some good starts. Everyone got off to a good start. For Shark Bait and Parkinson taking an early lead, but Noah's Ark is shredded over there. I believe some of the figures are mixed up, but that's all right. Oh, Noah's Ark is flaming. Oh my goodness! Oh, Noah's Ark! The only thing stopping them is a biblical flood to happen, which it could very much happen, ladies and gentlemen, you never know. But I think they might have just had enough grace to finish through. And yes, they do, Noah's Ark. But I must say, every boat is still afloat, which in itself is an achievement. So let's finish strong, guys. Finishing second is Shark Bait. Well done, Shark Bait. In third, we have the wonderful Far From Sinking. And I don't care if they finish last, they're still number one of our hearts. It's Duck, Duck, Goose. And as I said, this is the only heat I think every boat has successfully